Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to export audio only in Davinci Resolve 18. So first thing you need to do is import your clip. So I will click it, and as you can hear, I can make the audio louder like this, and then you can hear that there is some audio. Now first thing you need to do is make sure that you have in and out points selected. So make your playhead go on the beginning of the clip and click I to make in point, and then at the end of your audio and click O for the out point. Then go over to this delivery tab, click on that, and as you can see here you can name, so name file name, so make it like only audio for the sake of this tutorial. Then click here on this browse and choose where you want your audio to be exported to, and then press save right here. Then make sure this check is unchecked. As you can see, click on that so it isn't checked. And now make sure this render is selected in and out range, not entire timeline but in and out range. So make sure that is selected, and then simply click on add to render queue right here, and then select your render and click here render 1. And when it is rendered, then you can go over to your Finder and see here is only audio, and as you can see when I play it, it's basically only audio. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.